Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on ambient mode on your YouTube. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to first click on your profile picture in the top right, as you can see here. Now after that you want to click on appearance, as you can see here, appearance, and make sure to click on dark theme, as you can see here, the second option, dark theme. Now after that, as you can see here, guys, if you want to turn on ambient mode, you will have to make your YouTube dark. You have to change it to dark theme instead of light theme. Change it to dark theme like this. Now you want to search for any video. For example, I'm going to search for this video, as you can see here. Now if I want to turn on ambient mode, you want to click this gear, as you can see here, this gear. Now after that, this video doesn't have that feature. I don't know why. Let's go to the second video. This is the first time I see a video without ambient. Now as you can see here, guys, without ambient mode, it looks black here in the frame, as you can see. But when I turn it on, I'm sorry, like I said, you want to click this gear. After that you want to turn it on like this. And if you can look, guys, in the frame, it looks so cool. I don't know if you can see it here. It looks like amazing. You can see here, it's not black anymore. It's the color of the video, and it looks like something very satisfying, as you can see. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. If you want to turn it off, just click on the gear and then turn it off, and then you can then go back to light mode. Click just appearance instead of dark. You want to click light, and that's all you need to do, guys, to turn it off. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like. Let me know in the comments if you like this, if you think this mode is good for YouTube.